2014 Toyota Camry inner taillight replacement. When I mean by inner one, I mean this one that's on the trunk lid. This one's cracked. I'm going to replace it. So basically what you want to do is there's this fabric on the back. We got to get this off, and then the bolts for it are right there, or the bolt that you need to get. Basically you got to take these clips out. You only got to take like 4 or 5 of them out. They kind of open up like this. You get that top part pulled up, and then the clip will release the tension, kind of like this. Just get a flathead, pull these out. Like I said, you only got to get like 4 of these out, and then you could pull the fabric over enough to get to what you need to get to. You could take it all off if you don't want to deal with it, but basically you got one 10mm nut here and this electrical connector. Go and disconnect this electrical connector, push it out right here, pull it out, and then we'll go ahead and get this nut off. That didn't sound good. And then yeah, so let's go ahead and get these nuts off. Alright, that's one nut busted. And save these, we're going to need them for the new one. And then there's 2 right here. These aren't covered by the fabric, these are on the outside. And they look different, so there's 2. 3 nuts total. And then once they're off, you can kind of push this up a little bit and it should pop out. Careful not to drop it or scratch the paint when it comes off. Sometimes they'll just pop off and they can scratch the paint on their way down. We got this off. And also get this cushion stuff off because the new one comes with this cushiony stuff. Also, if you want to just replace the bulb, you don't have to do all this. I'll show you how to replace the bulb. But yeah, so here it is. Here's my new one. It comes with a new cushion, like I said. Here's my part number. This is from the dealer. This is a Toyota part. You could probably get this aftermarket on Amazon or eBay or something too, rockauto.com. But when you go to put the new one in, just slide it in. It won't be, if you get all the studs in, it won't be perfect. But then when you tighten them down with these nuts, it should be kind of go more into the perfect flushness and everything. So I got it in, and got this nut on here. Get this plug back in, and then before you get this fabric on, I would just go have someone push the pedal so you can test it. So that's it. You just put your fabric back on, and then you should be good to go. Just put these clips in. You put the bottom part in first, and then push the top down, and it'll lock in place like this, just like that. And just do them all. Alright, so if you're just going to replace the bulb, all you have to do is twist this part right here. You probably don't even have to use pliers, but basically when you'd have the fabric pulled back, you would just twist this and pull it out. There's your bulb. This bulb comes out of this little elbow, and then once you get the bulb out of the elbow, you would just find you know, a replacement at an auto parts store or whatever, and then you'd get it, you put it back in, and then twist it back in, and that's how you do that. So that's pretty much it, guys. Hope this video helps you out.